And good morning, Facebook. Another bright and sunny day here in the SimplyDiag Community Hub. It's not bright, it's not sunny, but we are in sunny Cheshire. And, man flu, summer colds, what's that all about? You can probably tell from my dulcet tones, I'm currently full on man flu this morning, but hey ho, that's the way the cookie crumbles. So, yeah. I didn't go live yesterday. I had a bit of a relaxing day yesterday, but we're back here this morning. So first off, it was your birthday yesterday and I missed it. Happy birthday. It was your birthday today. Happy birthday. It's your birthday tomorrow on Chippy Friday. Really happy birthday. Awesome. So what have we got going on? Well, we've got another ride along today. We've got young man from Glossop, one of our members, dropped this off last night. Peugeot 508, crank no start. We're going to do that as part of a SimplyDiag members ride along day. We'll see if we can't get that diagnosed and running for him. Morning Stephen, morning Darren. Yeah, so dropped it off last night. Recovery truck dropped it off last night. We're going to try and get it going. Morning Costa, morning Keith, morning Adam. So yeah, that's the first job. Second job, we've got a little nice little Mercedes E-Class E400. Had two front wheel bearings. Unfortunately now the ABS isn't working, so we've got to have a look at that this morning. Get that up, quick visual inspection, see what's been done on it, see if there's anything missing. Morning Mark, morning Barry. So yeah. And then we got, like I said, we got one of our members coming for a ride along day today. It's going to be absolutely awesome. So without further ado, whatever you're doing today, be awesome at it. Be the best you can be. Thanks for watching. You're awesome.